What is going on, guys? Hope you're having a great day. It is getting hot here in California. And so what I'm going to teach you today, how to replace your filter in your HVAC system. It's always going to look like that. If you look in your house and you see a big grated hole like that, that's where your filter goes. Now, super important on these filters, when you take it out, it'll have a number on there. I'm not sure if you can see that number, but it's 20 by 30 by 1. And so you want to make sure you get the same filter that's currently in there. Buy a couple of them. They're, I think, $1 each. Super easy to do. You might need a ladder because it is up there. But the first thing you're going to want to do, there's 2 latches on each side to keep this grate up. So what you want to do is undo these latches. I'll show you. I haven't done this in a couple months, but when it starts getting hot, it's always good to do this. This grate just slides down like that. Now, inside is your air filter. That one's actually not too bad, but we're gonna do it just because we're already here. So once it's out, you put the new one in. Like I said, you sort of gotta fit it in there. Might take some finessing, but all you do, put it up in there like that. Grate back up, and make sure these things hook in order to keep the grate up. Just sort of feel it sit in there like that, and it's done. So that's easiest thing to do. You can buy them from Home Depot, from Lowe's. They're $1. Buy 5, 10 of them because you're going to need them. Make sure that number on the side of the filter is the correct number. Undo the latches, pop it up in there, put the latches back up. Hope this helped. Peace.